Hello everyone and welcome back to Slay the Spire. Let's try out some Defect gaming. Hi buddy. Hi Niao. Ooh. Fun. We go gambling. Those are good elite fighting cards. And I'm glad we took that because there are elites swarming the act. It's a forced elite almost no matter what we do. I think we want to head up here so we can choose whether or not we want to fight the elite. Look at all this damage, isn't it beautiful? Dead turn 2. I do like a compile driver. I will take a Mercury Hourglass, I fear the sentries. Thwack and thwack. Nice, and we even drew the Ascender's Bane. That's perfect. Potion? Potion! I'll take a leap, sure. We are immune to your nonsense, thankfully. Ah, we drew the streamline. Yeah, we appear to be very strong. Ball lightning or reinforced body. I think I'll take a ball lightning. And I'll hold on to the fruit juice. And I think with the liquid memories in hand, I think we want to try and fight 3 elites. So let's go this way. Nice, and it's an easy fight as well. I think we need to take damage here in order to avoid getting mugged. Yeah, because we needed to get the clear of that turn. Static discharge. Not so good against Slime Boss. I'll take the Sweeping Beam and then upgrade that at the next fire. Yeah, knew it was you guys. And then we can liquid memories on the streamline, reduce it to 0. We go gambling? No, we don't go gambling. Dang it. Come on, lightning. Good thing we had the Mercury Hourglass. Play that for fun. And maybe they'll drop Toy Ornithopter? No, they dropped the bird-faced urn. I could take an Amplify, but without any powers, I'll take a chill. And then we're fighting Grum the Knob, so I'll upgrade Streamline. Grum the Knob on Lagavulin. We're fighting Grum the Knob. Maybe he'll drop his horn? Yes, you're immune to your nonsense. Beautiful. Hopefully we just take 8 win the fight. Looks like that is so. Excellent. Creative AI. With bird-faced done. Yes. Symbiotic Virus with compile driver, that's excellent. Can we get any of them? I think let's get you. And then take nothing. And then I think this is guaranteed lethal because of the lightning orb. Cool-headed, Frost. Nice. And then I still think we want to fight this elite. Ooh, bad. Good thing we had a chill. This isn't so bad. Wait, can we heal to full in this fight with the creative AI? No, we have a lightning, so we can't stall. Can't get rid of it. Oh yes, we also have Mercury Hourglass, preventing us from stalling. Sunder is good. We can even upgrade it. We're being offered some premium cards here. Against Slime Boss, I want health. I want all my cards. Sentries again. We do not draw... what's it? Sunder turn 1, very good. Please drop a toy ornithopter. Take 4, not bad. If only we had Orichalcum. Wait! We can heal the full in this fight! Potentially. We just need some focus. Double machine learning will do for now. Dualcast you, we have a cool-headed, we can get the Frost Lord back. Another machine learning? This is funny. Oh, we can't heal the full, we have Mercury Hourglass. Let's just get out of here. Okay, now we drink the fruit juice. Do we take static discharge for the heart? I don't think so. Maybe we just take more front-loaded block in the form of a charged battery? Maybe this is too many cards. But I fear the shelled parasite. Excellent that we have turn 3 block in this fight. I don't think that splits. That's 79, 76. Perfect. Now it splits. And sure, I'll get Creative AI down for free. Biased cognition, excellent. And you. Good fight. And a real biased cognition. Sorry Ecoform, but we have Core Surge. And tons of Frost. Okay, freest coffee dripper I have ever seen. It's Champ, I think he's dead. We want to head to an early shop. Yes. No. I shall not suffer. Oops, it's dead. I killed it. Ooh, a defragment. Let's head up here. Do we read a book? Let's read a book. Necronomicon Sunder? Aww. I'll take the money. And I think we don't want to die with nearly 500 gold in our pocket. So let's head to the shop. Bag of prep. Dark shackles. Don't need self-repair even though we have coffee dripper. We have bird face turn. I want a card remove, or do we buy the orrery? I don't think so. I think let's keep the deck tight. Remove a strike. Yeah. Okay, we can heal the full against this foe. I think we should do this. And I'll be back for you, Creative AI. Don't play the storm. If I'm careful about this, we can heal the foe. I just need to get rid of this orb. Nothing you. Then we get a cool-headed and we are pretty much immune to its nonsense. Shouldn't have done that, we could have drawn into Creative AI and had to cycle back for it. I'm sorry if this stalling is a bit painful to watch. You know what, let's just get out of here. I don't want the video to be boring. Hopefully not playing the... Can we take on 2 elites? Are we dead to slavers? Even with a sunder, we might be. I'm not sure we should take on the elites. I think we should only fight 1 this act, if any. Just take the upgrades. They've killed me so many times before, slavers. Ouch, my face. Play this for fun. I don't think we should try to stall against Snake Plant. I think that's a terrible idea. Perfect, we full block. Exactly. Then we cannot afford to play buffer, let's just get out of here. Duplication potion. Excellent. Turbo, I don't think we want it, because it costs us a card draw. We don't have heat sinks or anything. What about a second hologram? I think I like second hologram. Then we want to discount the creative AI to only cost 2. Ink bottle, I think I'll keep that. It's you guys again. Only take 1. Pretty nasty turn 1, however. Ouch, my face. You don't take any damage. Let's evoke the Dark Orb. Just have full frost, become completely invulnerable. Maybe not completely invulnerable. And then we heal the 4. Jeez, that's one aggressive avocado. That does not kill you. Neither does this. I think we do need to stall here, unfortunately, because this is our only means of healing. Echo Full? No, buffer. Play this for fun. Play you for fun. And I predict a loop. No, capacitor. Interesting. I predict a loop again. That's a stall. That is another biased combination which I cannot play. I currently only have 1 source of frost. You know what, I'm bored, let's just get out of here. Mood sequence is very nice with Coffee Dripper. And then, do we risk it? Do we fight the elite? We miss out on a shop and an upgrade, so I don't think so. We can afford a shop relic. Remove a card? Yes, remove a card. We are assembling a boat. Excellent. Strange Spoon. No, Glacier. Excellent. And then, because we have forced pathing towards the Burning Elite, I'm just going to recall here. Creative AI turn 1. Excellent. And then we just slowly outscale the champ. Yes, double creative AI. Beautiful. Don't play biased cognition now, otherwise we lose the fight. Core Surge, Hologram, the upgraded Biased Cognition. And then we have a Dark Orb, with which we can potentially win the fight with. So don't play the Glacier. Play the Cool-Headed. And then we wait. Oh, I forgot I had played Static Discharge. That's bad. We'll just do damage the old regular way. Overwhelming power. Double our Echo Form. Double our Capacity. Doesn't split. Or rather doesn't become enraged. Just have all the lightning. No frost. That's a lot of damage a turn. Double creative AI. And then we win. Okay, very nice. Buffer or second creative AI. I think we take the buffer. And I like this as a means of dealing with Reptomancer if we have to fight her. Runic Pyramid? Yes. This is a very stupidly strong run. Oh no, it's the Awakened one. Okay, where's the Burning Elite? Do we need to fight them? Then we head to another store again. Okay, Hello World with a Runic Pyramid isn't the best, I don't think. So I won't play that. We will put the coordinates though. Nice, perfect block. Glacier, Hologram, Glacier. Play this to make hand space. This is like a three syllabus fight, but as a creative AI Runic Pyramid isn't the best either, to be honest, but it's what we've got. And I really like the Runic Pyramid. I would love a recycle now. And Diagonus. I think skip, keep the deck small. We go gambling. Second Glacier plus a Blizzard? Is that how we beat Awakened one? I think that is. We have a Chill, we have two Glaciers. Go Blizzard. That's 10 damage on the first turn already. Beautiful. Very nice coffee dripper. Pretty much completely free energy. Thanks to Bird Face Turn. I will take a White Noise Plus. Even against the Awakened one. Into 4, losing Strike. Oh, I'll lose Elite. We have 2 Glaciers now. Thanks for the free remove. Oh. That sucks. And I will fight an elite before the rest site in case it drops an upgraded Seek. I mean, Seeks can't be upgraded, rare cards can never be upgraded. It's her. I fear Electro. That's Capacitor. I fear everything. I'm saving both the explosive pot and sweeping the for next turn. Okay, we chill. We glacier. We blizzard. Huh, it was actually a nice solution to the Reptomancer fight, this blizzard. We want to upgrade it to be even more effective. Maybe we should have taken that turbo, because look at the sand clog issue. Very nice. This is a sort of relaxing Reptomancer fight, which is not something I'd ever expected to say. Ever. Go streamline. It's very chill. Play defend, play toolcast. Then we want to upgrade our blizzard, I think. Let's just one turn. Gold click the cables, very nice. Go for the eyes. Plus. Okay, Reptomancer fight is over. Let's pick up the weak pot. And if we don't fight that elite, it cannot be burning Reptomancer. For which I am eternally grateful. Because you can never fight a single elite 2 times in a row. Take some damage here. Not too much. Thankfully. Ah, Echo Form fizzled out. That's odd. That's not how it works typically. Another charge battery plus I will take to help counteract Beat of Death. And then we want to upgrade our Blizzard. Bottled Tornado. Let's bottle our buffers so we always live against Heart, but we always live against Heart with Horn Cleat. Let's bottle our Creative AI. I'll add 1. I'll take a discovery for fun. Then we have to fight this. It's Nemesis, not too shabby. Double Creative AI. Leave that to make hand space. And then with Storm involved. Yeah, let's just play all the biased cognitions. And then win very quickly. And we have buffer in case it does this. Good fight. It's a very late singing bowl, but it's a little bit of max health. And I'll head to the question mark here. I don't think we're powerful enough for the rare relic, and the rare relic could be Dead Branch, which we don't want. I think I'll just leave. No need to be greedy. And let's upgrade a hologram, maybe? And then I'll take another question mark. Yes! Perfect, I was wanting this. Oh no! Oh, we have Dark Shackles, we're completely fine. Panicked for a second. Because it does that. Just, please no. Even though we don't have too many cards in our deck, we have hand problems because I didn't take the turbo. Good thing we have 2 charge batteries. Electro! Go! Good fight. And 2 max health. Okay, now onto the Awakened one we go. And I think for the Awakened one we want to upgrade our Chill. Not playing that. Just don't play the powers and we should be fine. There's only one power we need to play this fight, and that's the Bias Cognition. And after that we just slowly win with Blizzard. I'll play the Defragment too, sure. Just to get it out of our hand. Hologram, we go for the ice. Keep it weak. Oops. Into you. We have 3 creative AIs in our hand that we cannot get rid of. That's funny. How on earth are we going to do enough damage to this thing? It's going to be live pretty much forever, effectively. I'm just going to use the Dark Shackles now, because otherwise we take it and take it to the face. We take nothing thanks to gold flint cables. Streamline, hologram, streamline. Charge battery, sweeping beam. It's plus 18. Take nothing. Glacier, charge battery, dual cast. Alright, good awakening fight. We're doing well. It lives on 1. And then we can just buffer this and play the creative AI. Hand clog becomes even more of an issue than before. Ouch, my face. can heal that back. Love having this free loot. Another creative AI! 4 of them! With Runic Pyramid, the power! Okay, don't play that. Oh no, are we going to die? Because we're just going to draw all powers. 5 creative AIs and a hello world. We're in trouble now. The perfect hand. Okay, we finally got Storm going. We should be alright now. Dead. Very good. This first, then this. Don't make the mistake of playing Bison Mission in the wrong order here. It's very bad. You have Buffer, you go for the guys. Do we even want to play Creative AI in this fight? I think that we do. Keep track of the timer. Surrender. Take nothing. And then I think we win with this looped Dark Orb. Don't want to play Storm. I will play Heat 6 however. One with a Discovery. We just need to draw into dual cast. There we go. And then that almost kills you. Buffer wears off. I think that's enough damage, but I'm not sure. It is. Nice. Okay, we head to the heart. I'm scared. This thing could just end us. What do we want to smith? I think the buffer so that if we... No, the dual cast to be free. We can take a waffle, we can take another... I think we take the panacea. And we take a storm. Perhaps should have considered the recycle to get rid of the hello worlds. That will inevitably pop up. We take a bit, but we can heal it back. Take nothing. I think that almost kills you. Yeah. And we have 50-50 to... We had an even more than 50-50. We still lost it. Let's double storm next turn. No, let's double glacier. Turn around using you. Charge battery because I don't think we've blocked quite enough. Okay, we block for 100, very good. Needed almost all of that block. Now we double storm. Oops, it's going to... Okay, good. What's Dupe Pod good for? We already have hand poop issues. It's good though. I'll take the Ancient Pod to block Vulnerable from the Heart, because that's a 25% mitigation, but that's a 50% mitigation. Or we can just... do that. Double Creative AI, turn 1. I want to continuously weaken you. Take a little hit, not too shabby. Yeah, really should have considered the cycle here. Cycle would have been very good here. I think he might be dead here. We just need to kill this thing really quick. Okay, good. We have Croatia next turn. I think we might be dead to this hit though. Yeah, we're dead. RIP. Good fight. I wonder if there was a way to win that. Good fight though. Good fight. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Have an absolutely splendid day. Goodbye!